Welcome to my channel, Car DIY, and in today's channel I'm going to show you how to download the images from your dash cam on your Tesla. So simply click on glove box, it opens up, you just pull it out, really simple as that. You don't have to eject or anything like that, you just pull it out and you go to your computer, which we have our laptop and we have a USB stick. So we stick it into the USB port like so, and it goes. We wait for it to come up here into the files. It should load up, so let's tilt this back a little bit this way. Go into files, and then we're looking for there we go. Open file. So what you do is you wait for it to pop up like so. And then if you're looking for your dash cam, Tesla dash, click on that. And then you'll have all your recent clips, saved clips, Sentry clips. They're the mirrors, or they're the cameras on both sides. And yep, that's how it's done, really quite simple. And then when you're taking the SD card out, you just simply close it off. Once the files are closed down, close your computer, remove the UBS stick from the computer, and that's it. Put it back into the car. Have a good day. Please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment.